Alright everybody, we're making some butter today. We're at least going to try to make some butter today. See, I've already got my whipping cream in the bowl. This is just some Aldi brand heavy whipping cream. I'm trying it with the hand mixer. This is the first time I've ever done it, so we'll see how it goes. Let's take it right along. I'm going to put you in my super awesome phone holder there, and we'll get going. I figured I'd just speed you up here so you didn't have to endure the 20 minutes of me struggling with my blender, blending, and also the blender dying through the process. Alright, so after about 20 minutes or so almost of blending this, or mixing it with the hand mixer, my wife suggested I use the blender, so I'm going to give that a shot. We got a Ninja here. I don't know how it's going to go. Maybe I should have done that to begin with. We'll see. I'm going to load this up. I mean, it's kind of starting to look like butter, but it's just not there. So we'll see if this makes it any better. So I've got it all set up in the blender here. We're just going to try this out. Power, blend. Now I think we're getting somewhere. Now it looks like there's some stuff separating. I should have done this to begin with. Alright, now you can see, let me turn this way. We definitely have liquids separated from solids down there. So I'm going to pour off this liquid and see where that leaves us. And I'm just going to pour it in this mason jar to save the buttermilk, because my wife has a killer recipe that uses buttermilk, so we'll probably make those sometime really soon. Alright, so now you can see I've got that all pressed to one side, pressed all the excess milk out of it. Got that much, probably a cup and a half, 2 cups of buttermilk, so that's not too bad. And what should be a pound of butter. I'm just going to roll that up and put it in the fridge. Alright, so let me get you positioned a little bit better. So now you can see we got our butter. It's still draining off a little bit more of the buttermilk. Excuse me, my children are going crazy. I'm just going to actually rinse it, because I almost forgot that step. I got some parchment paper set out here that I'm going to roll it in and then put it in the fridge. I'm just going to squeeze off the rest of this buttermilk a little bit. And then I'm going to rinse it in some cold water. And then we'll form it up into a nice roll of butter.
Daddy.
Yeah, bud.
I want to get my clothes on now.
All right, give me 1 second. I'm almost done. Okay?
Are you making? Were you making a smoothie for a second?
No, I was just making some butter. See that butter? Yeah. All right. So now I've got it rinsed, mostly dried the best I can. I'm just gonna put it down here.
Ew! That's gross. That's gross. That's gross right there.
And peel these gloves off. Oh, wonderful.
Why?
Salad.
Why are you taking those gloves off?
And I'm gonna roll this up.
How? Hey, that's my Play-Doh paper.
It is Play-Doh paper.
Do I have to make this for my Play-Doh?
You can. There we go. Now we're gonna throw that in the fridge to cool.